Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 review stuff. And I am so excited to do this review today. I have received so many messages about this specific Frappuccino. I don't know why, but it's this specific secret menu Frappuccino that I have received so many requests for me to do. And I typically go in and I try to find the very first person that sent me the message requesting it. But today, like if I do that on any of my channels, but today, I literally, you guys, I can't even tell you, 30, 40 people probably sent this to me. So I'm gonna go in and shout out the last person that sent it to me, and that is Allison. Allison, thank you for recommending to me the Jack Skellington Nightmare Before Christmas Frappuccino. Thank you to all of you that sent this to me. I was actually going to do the It's a Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown Frappuccino today, but we're gonna do the Jack Skellington one instead, because I think that'd be kind of a fun one to do today. And I also need to announce the winner of the Chatty Patty. I actually looked, you guys, it has literally been a month since I posted that video. So it's time for me to, drumroll please, shout out the winner of the Chatty Patty. If you don't know what it is, go back and watch the video. The talking parakeet, whatever. So anyway, and the winner is, I actually have a winner and a backup winner in case the winner doesn't contact me because I'm announcing it on video. So they would have to watch this video to then realize that they had won. And that winner is Brett Lee Clark, I think is his name. I had it written down, and the note that I brought says Chatty Patty on it. The other note at home has the two winners on it. I'm not gonna say the other winner in case Brett doesn't contact me. Brett, just email me to one of my emails. They're listed below, and let me know your address and I will shoot that out to you. I will, family friendly, I will shoot that out to you as soon as I get back from San Diego next week. So yeah, there's that. There was something else that I wanted to talk about too. I can't remember what it was. So anyway, yeah. And Brett's answer, because if you watch that video, you know that I said like what was like to me the funniest thing that you would have Chatty Patty say. He said when people came in the door, he would have Chatty Patty ask them, what's your favorite scary movie? On the heels of me going and seeing the Screamcast, and I was all that, you know, getting ready to go see the Screamcast set and stuff like that. That is who the winner is. So, because y'all know I love the movie Scream. So, congratulations, Brett. I hope you enjoyed Chatty Patty. Don't forget to email me so I can get that out to you. And I will be doing future giveaways in the future, and you just have to be subscribed to my channel and all that kind of stuff. That's gonna be real fun, okay? I think I'm actually like at Christmas time or holiday time or whatever holiday you celebrate. I don't know. But whatever you do, Thanksgiving week, we all love the Thanksgiving. Well, I guess those of you that aren't in the United States probably don't celebrate Thanksgiving, do you? Okay, but I don't know, maybe I'll just pick a day, a Tuesday, random Tuesday, and oh my god, maybe I'll do it on my sobriety birthday. My sobriety birthday is December 17th. I'll say this and then I'll totally forget it, but I think I want to do like a giveaway and give out some Starbucks cards, because I think that would be fun, because I've been doing so many Starbucks reviews. I also want to say this, that a lot of people have said to me recently, like, I miss the As Seen on TV reviews, or you said you were going to review other things, blah, 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 whatever. Well, things evolve, things change, and I have found that I really, really enjoy reviewing food on this channel. I'm sure that's not a surprise to anybody. I loved eating. So, that's why I've been doing a lot of food. I'm going to continue to do a lot of food on this channel. But I've also heard your requests, and so when I get back, I'm going to try to start kind of like scheduling reviews a little bit more. So I have like a list of when I'm doing them and doing more As Seen on TV things. I have several As Seen on TV items that I have purchased. Probably I have like 10 at home. It's just like the setup for it. Sometimes I get up and I'm like, I don't really feel like doing that today. You know what I mean? So anyway, but I'm gonna do some more of those. I heard what you guys had to say, and you know, I'm just loving this channel. I love that you guys are watching it. I want it to be just as enjoyable for you as it is for me making it. So any requests that you have, any things you want me to review, please put it in the comment section below. Okay, now I have got this at 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Let me read you this article quickly about the Frappuccino, and it says up here at the top, hold on, you can get a Jack Skellington Frappuccino at Starbucks. Okay, I love The Nightmare Before Christmas. This is the same website. It is called totallythebomb.com. If I remember, I will link them below. I love The Nightmare Before Christmas, and I love me some Jack Skellington. So, as soon as I saw there was a Nightmare Before Christmas themed drink, my head rolled and I knew I needed it. Dubbed the Jack Skellington Frappuccino, this drink is a little dirty, a little bit King of the Pumpkin Patch, and a little bit Christmastown cold. The Frappuccino is definitely not on the traditional Starbucks menu. It is one of those hush-hush secret menu drinks. Here's how to order Jack Skellington Frappuccino at Starbucks. Ask for a pumpkin spice Frappuccino. Add in 1 shot of chai syrup for that extra kick. I'm 50 and I kick, and I like to kick. Make it dirty by adding in a shot of espresso. Top it with whipped cream for those Christmas town peaks of white fluffy goodness. Top it with Java chips because they're tasty. Don't forget the mocha drizzle on the side of the cups. The side of the cup. This drink is pretty involved and a mouthful to get out. While you are waiting in line, just repeat to yourself, single shot, chai, pumpkin spice Frappuccino, whipped cream, and Java chips on top with mocha drizzle inside the cup. If you aren't into cold drinks, you can also get this one hot by ordering a dirty chai with pumpkin syrup. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna order the Frappuccino. I'm really excited about this. I also need to get my coffee for the day. I haven't had it, but I actually have some left from yesterday, so. Oh, this woman turned right in front of me. I gotta throw this out. Now listen, don't come for me if you're one of those hippies, okay? I used to be a hippie too, but you know, now I like 5-star hotels and somewhere nice to sleep and a Frappuccino. I'm not a hippie anymore. I mean, hippie's a state of mind, isn't it? Kind of. I think it is. Anyway, I'd still listen to the Grateful Dead and Neil Young.
Welcome to Starbucks. We'll come get started for you.
Can I get a venti iced coffee with 1 equal, please? And I have my own cup.
All right.
Can I also, yeah, can I also have you make a drink for me, or is that going to be too difficult? Like if I tell you what's in it.
Hi, Peter. It's Josh. What are we making for you today?
Thank Jesus. I was like, I don't know her. I'm getting real worried up here. I'm making a video. Okay. Josh, today we are doing the Jack Skellington Frappuccino from the night before Christmas.
Okay, good choice. I don't know anything about it. Teach me.
Okay, it's kind of involved, so don't hate me, okay?
Okay.
And there's nobody behind me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it is, here's how you do it. I asked for a pumpkin spice Frappuccino.
Okay, what size?
We're gonna do a grande today.
Okay.
And then add in a shot of chai syrup.
Okay, ooh, that sounds good.
For that extra kick of fall. Because I'm 50 and I like to kick. Okay, make it dirty by adding in a shot of espresso.
Okay.
Top it with whipped cream.
Okay.
For those Christmas town peaks.
Right.
Top it with Java chips.
You want Java chips on top of it?
Yeah, I guess.
All right. Okay, we can do that.
And don't forget the mocha drizzle on the inside of the cup.
Mocha drizzle inside of the cup.
Is that too hard?
No.
Okay.
It's just expensive. Is that okay?
I know. What is it? Like a $9 Frappuccino?
It is. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like $9.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's $11.88 altogether.
Oh my Lanta. Okay, well that's fine. Okay.
Anything
Do
else?
it for the review. Do it for the review.
All
Okay.
Right, $11.88.
Okay, thanks. Bye. That is ridiculous. Okay, I'm sorry, but that is ridiculous for whoever requested this to me. Allison, I put all total blame on you. Oh, it was Tanner at the window.
It's gonna be $11.88.
How are you doing, Tanner?
Pretty good. How are you?
I'm good.
Where'd you get that cup at?
I got it on eBay. I paid a lot of money for it. I'm not happy about it, but I love the cup. Do you have them here now?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you don't? Okay. They're all my faves are here today. What?
Did your cotton sauce?
I gave it to Tanner already, but I need to pay.
I got you. All right. Anything else? So just a grande white loaf with a white loaf.
Thank you. How are you liking it here?
Pretty good. I'm getting adjusted.
Good. Do you guys have Halloween cups in there?
Not yet. We should be getting them soon, like probably by like beginning of.
Are you getting these?
Those ones? I don't know. Everyone was obsessed with those. I don't know if they're here anymore.
Target Starbucks cups came out today.
Really?
Their Halloween cups came out, supposedly.
We should be getting them soon. Though, probably on like the next 2 weekends.
Yeah, and then you sell out in like an hour. This guy just held up my cup and he goes, "Is this one made?" I hope he's not the one that has to make that drink. Poor thing. That coffee tastes so good.
Do you still want the pumpkin spice topping on it and the frap chips? It comes with the pumpkin spice.
Sure.
Sure. Why
I
not?
mean,
We'll
come
just go
on.
all
It's
out.
Halloween Town, right? Or whatever. That's a different movie. That's that movie with what's her face? Carrie Fisher's mother. Horrible. They had like 4 of them. Remember that? Halloween Town. Only on Disney. What's your favorite scary movie? I don't really consider The Nightmare Before Christmas. a scary movie. I've ever like only ever watched it once. I didn't really get into it that much, if y'all want to know the truth. I don't really love the animation and the cartoons. I just don't. I know that's horrible. Don't hate me, okay? I do love Scooby-Doo. And I watched Richie Rich when I was a little kid, and then we'd move the table over and we'd do Soul Train, me and my mom. But anyway, oh my God, that looks so good.
Me struggle with that. I tried to put Java chips on this and they did not stay on.
You did a fantastic job. Okay, everybody wants to know when we're doing the video, so just can you let everybody know when we're doing it?
We are gonna do it sooner or later. You're going out
San Diego.
town.
When I get back next week, we're doing it.
Okay, Monday or Thursday.
So you need to practice the menu so you know everything.
I know.
I'm joking. I'm joking. Bye. Thank
guys,
you. Thanks so much for making that.
No problem.
I am so excited about this. Okay, I'm gonna go over here into the shallows. I don't know why I keep on saying that like Lady Gaga. Oh my God. You guys have no idea how funny it is to live in my world. I am just constantly laughing at myself. There's this older couple out here, and it looks maybe like it's a mother and a son. And then there's a business meeting going on. He has those happy socks on. Don't you love those happy socks? I love those happy socks. Oh, it's making me so happy. Anyway, they do. Like, I think they're good. Like, if you go to an interview, like, and you have some boring sock on, you should wear, like, those happy socks. Okay. Now, let's get a good thumbnail. Are you ready? Okay. I'm really excited. Oh, my God. Look at that. He did such a great job on this. Okay. I'm just going to link the article below, and then if you guys want to order this, you can go to the article. I will give totallythebomb.com the full credit for this because I don't want to have to put it in the description box, then people will get mad at me, and then the baristas from Starbucks are like, don't ask anybody to make this is so hard, and stuff like that, and I know everybody's going to want this because I got so many messages about this. I'm so excited. Okay. What's that girl's name? What's the girl's name that he falls in love with? You know what I always think when I see that movie? I always think that Nightmare on Elm Street, I do love that movie though. But it's not one of my favorite horror movies, but it's okay. Anyway. I do love, I do totally relate to the drinking all that coffee and Nightmare on Elm Street to stay alive, or stay awake. Well, stay alive and stay awake, I guess. But anyway, I always think The Nightmare Before Christmas reminds me of Edward Scissorhands, which I absolutely love. So if you want to know a little story, here's a little story time for you, okay? Hold on, I'm gonna sip this and I'll tell you what I think. Oh, that is really, really good. Oh man, that's delicious. It's chocolatey. It's like chocolate pumpkin. It's kind of weird. It's like if you mixed like a chocolate pie with like a pumpkin pie, that's what it tastes like. I mean, I'm sure because of the chocolate drizzle on the bottom. People always tell me to mix them up, so let me mix it up. It's good. It's still not my favorite Frappuccino. My favorite Frappuccino so far that I've reviewed is probably that crunch one. It very much tastes, you can taste the pumpkin in it. I mean, you really can. It's good. It's really good. I would give it like a 4.5 out of 5. I mean, you definitely can taste the pumpkin. You can taste the mocha because it's all mixed in, you know, on the sides and stuff like that. It tastes like a chocolate pumpkin pie. Yeah, I'd give that a 4.5. That's pretty, I might give it a 4.7. It kind of depends on how much you like chocolate. It tastes like chocolate pumpkin pie. That's the only way I can explain it. It's a little bit stronger on the chocolate, though. That's the mocha, I guess, and all of that, you know. And it's caffeinated because it's got the shot of espresso. I'm 50. I like to cake. Anyway. True story. I went to junior high with this girl, okay? And she and this other girl, now this other girl, she's not a girl, she's my age, she's 47 now probably, or 48. I was always the youngest one in my class, so she's probably 48. But anyway, they were like good Judies in junior high. And I was obsessed with them. I thought they were the coolest things in the whole entire world. They were real different and everything. I've talked about them on my vlog. And the one girl, anyway, she reached out to me a couple years ago, and we like reconnected after like since junior high. And I was like, do you know how cool I thought you were in junior high? She was like, do you know how cool I thought you were? I was like, me? I was nobody. I did have kind of cool style. But anyway, so, but her friend ended up being in Edward Scissorhands and Reality Bites, the girl that I was kind of like obsessed with in junior high. I thought she was the coolest thing. I wanted to be her good Judy. She could not be bothered with me. Look at you now, gal, okay? 2 movies and I got 5 YouTube channels. What? We're equal. Okay, so anyway, I give this 5 out of 7. I think you guys should definitely go try it. She even had lines in the movies and everything. Okay, you guys should go try this. It is really, really good. I give it a, I would give it a 4.7 out of 5. What did I say? 5.7 out of 4. I give it a 4.7 out of 5. Definitely go try it. The Jack Skellington Frappuccino, only at Starbucks. I mean, maybe they'd make it for you if you had the wonderful Tatiana from Dunkin' Donuts, but I have her here in Indianapolis. So you'd have to ask your barista at any coffee shop if they would make this for you. So anyway, let me know if you've had it, what you think. Put it in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.